Hey, want to get an AI coding assistant inside VS Code for free? Like Copilot or Chat GPT, but without paying? Let me show you how to do it using Google Gemini and a free extension called CLINE. Let's set it up. It's super easy. First, open VS Code. Go to Extensions, search for CLINE, C-L-I-N-E, and install it. That's the tool that connects Gemini with your editor. Now, open this link, astudio.google.com. Log in with your Google account. Click Create API Key and copy the key back in VS Code. Click on the CLINE icon on the side. You'll see the settings page. Just select Gemini as the provider and paste your API key below. Done. Gemini will generate the code right there. You can also ask it to fix bugs or explain code. And that's it. You've got a free AI coder inside VS Code, thanks to Gemini and CLINE. If this helped you, give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and hit subscribe if you want more quick dev tips like this. Thanks for watching.